The problem is these shows sometimes stretch on beyond the plans of the makers.
That's true.
And so then they're scrambling. That's definitely was a How I Met Your Mother
That's
problem,
probably example
for
number
sure.
one that
Yes.
everybody cites. A show that they loved, but then because they had to stuff it out a little bit.
I literally cried. It was one of the first YouTube videos I ever made. It was me sobbing about the How I Met Your Mother. How much I hated it.
All right.
Sounds crazy, but it was just so sad, and I'm so mad. I feel like it's insulting all of us that believed in these stories, and now every story, where it was supposed to be leading to this true love, it's leading to this person who's basically a baby maker for Ted, so that he can then, so she can die, so that he can then go and marry Robin, who he really loved all along. It's just such a load of